In this video, I am going to show you how to use Chai AI on websites. So first of all, just go and open any browser that you want to use. For this video, you can use Chrome, Brave, Opera, whatever you have. Once you do it, go to the URL section and all you need to do, just type Chai AI. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Click on the first link and make sure if you have an account to click on login at the top right. Or if you don't have an account, or if you logged in or created an account previously using Google, you can use this Google option here. If you don't have even an account, you can even click on sign in with Google and it will create an account using that Google account. So for me here, let me just go and sign in or create an account using my Google accounts. I'm not sure if I do have an account with this Google accounts, but we'll see. So it seems like I don't have an account. So now let's just answer as an example that specific question. Now they'll ask us if we want to start a free trial, then we'll have to start paying. For me, I can just skip for now because I want to use just the free option. Now you can start browsing through the AI characters depending on what you want. You can even search by name as an example or by character like rude, friendly, and stuff like that. Once you find the one that you want, just go and click on that guy or that character and you'll be able to see as example on the right here the memory of that character and basically an introduction message by that AI character. So you can see everything here as we said for me and the character like permanent memory. You can change it if you want, and yeah, here you go. You can start basically chatting very easily. So type your message into the chat box and send it like example, hey, how are you or something. Hit the enter button or use this button right here and you can continue the conversation however you want. Ask question, role play with the character, continue previous conversations, switch to another character whenever you want, and you should be good to go. So that's how you use Chat AI or Chai AI on the website. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.